This smoked bologna turned out amazing. You could see the nice grill marks on it and everything else. And then the addicted to the Q. So I will show you every step of the way to make this. Alright, what's cooking today? We're just going to have a simple bologna chub. I'm going to smoke it and grill it. So we're going to see what this is like. I'm going to tell you to open it and score it. I'll show you how I score it and rub it. Alright, the bologna is out of the packaging. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do this one-handed as much as I can. I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way through. I'm going to do that about about that often. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do it the other way. This is just kind of score it to make it get rubbing stuff inside there. I'll show you when I go the other way. Alright, as you can see, I got her scored. So we're going to put some rubs in there today. And I'll show you which rubs I'm using. The first rub is going to use is So Freaking Awesome Tropical Heat Pineapple Chipotle Rub. Give it a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat. Second one I'm going to use is King Louie's Meat Apostle, the King's Blend. Alright, the last rub we're going to use is Butcher Barbecue Honey Rub. I'm going to do a light layer of both of those. Alright, smoker's sitting at 250, so we are going to go ahead and just put her on there. I like to see her about 275, but it's close enough for me. Smoked bologna is on the smoker. We're going to let her go probably about an hour before I'll even try to look at it or rotate it or whatever and see how it looks. It's probably going to be about 2 hours total cook time, but we're going to check back within an hour. Alright, just as an update, it's been on about an hour. I rolled it over because it's starting to split. It's right where I want it. I'm going to let it go over about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to start putting sauce and let her caramelize. Alright, she's ready for some sauce. We're going to actually roll her back over and put it kind of in the grooves. Actually, I'm going to sauce this side first. This is my Meets My Mistress Sweet Thang sauce. My brush I got from Heath Riles because I placed an order. So we're going to make this sweet and sticky. Get kind of in the grooves because you want it in the grooves. That's it. We're going to let this go probably 10-15. Well, actually, I might just roll over now. Perfect. Got a few snacks for me. Said she's probably within 15 minutes from being done. I love how she's busting open like this. That makes it really good. Like I said, we're going to take her off here in about 15-20 minutes. Let this sauce good and tack up. This smoked bologna turned out amazing. You could see the nice grill marks on it and everything else, and then the addicted to the Q. So I will show you every step of the way to make this.